What's up? It's the Prelude dude. Today we're putting on a little bit of vinyl. Check it out. Alright, so before we get started, big shout out to my girlfriend. She's the one who actually made these vinyls for me. And, you can find her Instagram. I'll put that right down here, maybe up there. I'll put it somewhere, though. Go check her out. She'll make these for you, too. Alright, prep work. So, to get the glass ready to be adhered to, you gotta clean it. First, I suggest just using soap and water. Once you get that completely dry and all that residue off, use some alcohol to rub off the rest of the grime, wax, whatever's on there. Anything that could stop that from sticking to it. So, yeah, once that's done, we move on to the next step. Alright, so I got my vinyl, I got my surface prepped, I got my wet substance to go in between it. I guess I'm ready to go. But first... Alright, so the tearaway on this one was a pain. It did not go very easy, and it really didn't go the way I had planned it to. I think I just used too much of a soapy solution. It wasn't the fact that water was still trapped behind there, but it was like a slime from the actual dish soap that I used. So that stuff works too good. Anyways, but here's the tearaway. Got it pulled off. It actually turned out pretty good. I do have one little mistake, and it's going to drive me nuts, and you probably can't even see it. I got the camera like 4 feet away, so if you can't see it from there, the people walking by ain't going to see it. Now I got to do the other side.